Here I have ZTE Blade A602 and let me show you how to reset the camera settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the camera right here. Let's use the left bar, so let's swipe from the left edge, and here let's choose the settings icon in that corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Restore Defaults, and the camera settings will be restored to the defaults. If you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's tap OK. And that's it, you just restored the camera default settings and everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.